Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. Today I will show you how to create a 3D model from the existing 2D drawing with the help of FreeCAD tools like Extrude, Mirror, Hole, Chamfer, and Fillet. This is the exercise for today that we need to convert this 2D drawing into 3D solid part. As you know, there are several ways or steps to create any 3D solid part. Here you find the steps and the tools that I used to convert this 2D drawing into 3D solid part. First, click simply this button to start the FreeCAD workspace and to create the parametric solid part. As you see, the body is inserted automatically. This is the drawing with the given dimensions and my steps to solve the exercise. In step 1, we sketch half of the middle section on XZ plane and create a solid part with the help of the Extrude tool. Activate the Sketch tool and select the XZ plane. First, create roughly the shape of the profile and then put the dimensions later. Now, assign the dimensions. The sketch is full constrained, then close the sketch. The width of the lower part is 60 millimeters. Select the sketch and activate the Extrude tool and then select the option Symmetric. In step 2, we sketch the position to profile on the top surface and we create a solid part with the help of the Extrude tool. Select the top surface and then activate the Sketch tool. Activate the View Section tool and extract the reference edge. Convert the reference edge to construction line. Sketch the rectangular profile and make its symmetry to the horizontal axis. Select the endpoints and the symmetry axis and then activate the Symmetry tool. Constrain the rectangle to the reference edge. Now, assign the dimensions. Sketch a circle with a radius of 15 millimeters on the horizontal axis. Remove unnecessary edges and curves with the Trim tool. As you see, our sketch is full constrained. Select the sketch and extrude it by 5 millimeters. In step 3, we create the holes with a diameter of 20 millimeters. To create the hole, select the half-circle edge and then activate the Hole tool. Set the diameter to 20 millimeters and for the depth, select the option Through Hole. Click OK to confirm. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Now, we mirror the created part about the YZ plane. Select the body and then activate the Mirror tool. Select the YZ plane. In step 4, we create the cylindrical part with the hole. Activate the Sketch tool and then select the XZ plane. Activate the View Section tool to see the sketch plane. Sketch a circle with a radius of 50 millimeters on the vertical axis. Extract the reference edge. Convert again the reference edge to construction line. Constrain the center of the circle to the reference edge. Now, the sketch is fully constrained. Select the sketch and activate the Extrude tool. In the dialog window, activate the option Symmetric and the length to 80 millimeters. Now, we create a hole with a diameter of 58 millimeters. Select the front surface and activate the Hole tool. Select the option Through Hole. The last step is to add fillets and chamfers to the created part. Select the front and the end edge of the cylinder and then activate the Fillet tool. Put the radius of 10 millimeters. As you see, there is issue with exact 10 millimeters radius. The fillet works with 9.99 millimeters. Now, we create fillets with a radius of 3 millimeters. Activate the Fillet tool and then select the edges. At the end, we add chamfers according to the drawing. Select the edges and then activate the chamfer tool. That is for today. Please follow the other videos to learn more about FreeCAD. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.